for the next upcoming videos. So I'm not going to go over this entire slide here, guys. It's like 30 something pages as far as this PDF that I have right now, but what I'm going to do is go over the main things about this. So I decided to get in this. I recommended all of you guys out there, whatever information you're seeing on this video, you take it upon yourself to do your own research and your own due diligence. It may take more convincing for you than it does for me to put my money into things. So just keep that in mind as we move forward with this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, Buytex Network is a project that helps promote the Buytex Exchange, and this platform is planning on releasing an exchange that will launch shortly. Soon. I don't have the exact date on that, but it's supposed to be here within the next month or few months or whatever the case may be. Now at this stage, the Buytex Network sells the BUX tokens, okay, BUX tokens, which is like the BNB, Binance coins, Binance tokens, whatever the case may be, that will be used on the exchange to get discounts on trading. So it's kind of similar to Binance in terms of the goals that these guys want. And they will also burn about 15% of the BUX tokens that people spend on the exchange every quarter. Now, I know a lot of folks out there are like, oh, I don't like tokenized platforms or platforms that talk about having an exchange because it kills them, etc., etc. Well, I don't think it's any different than all of these platforms saying that they have this AI trading technology, right? I'm just hearing what they say they're going to do, and then I'm going to track that in terms of their performance and me making my money with this platform. Now, it says the Buytex Exchange will have a strong focus on the traders. All existing exchanges do not provide special trading tools, so they're talking about having some of those features within the exchange once it is launched. Now, they say that the platform or the company is registered in Estonia and has a license and all that stuff that allows them to operate there. So you can check all that stuff out once we get to the main website, and you guys could do your due diligence on that. Now it says here that the Buytex Network is a unique partnership platform of Buytex Exchange for the allocation of the BUX tokens. Aims and the missions here: promotion and popularization of Buytex Exchange and BUX tokens. Okay, it says the forming of the international community for the cooperative development of the business. Here's some documents here as far as their company registrations and their license. You guys can look this information up for yourself. All of this is available. Now this looks like a snapshot of what the exchange is going to look like. So this is going to be an exchange where people can go to, like Binance, etc., etc. Now I've seen a lot of these platforms out there before, but this one here looks like it has everything in place to be successful. So of course all of this stuff is a risk, and anything could happen in terms of this thing not succeeding. So just keep that in mind. So it says here the mission of the BUX token is 1 billion. It says Buytex tokens, BUX is the Buytex stock market token. The whole tokenomic of the platform is based on the BUX token. The user will get significant discount using BUX to pay the exchange commissions. Also, BUX is used as a honorarium in the different trading competitions and other tools for the popularization of the exchange. It says here's every quarter Buytex burns BUX in an amount of equal to 15% from the income. It says due to this, the demand will become higher and the supply will become lower, and it will have a positive influence on the rise in the BUX price. The burning will occur until 500 million BUX are left. So they're talking about burning until they reach half of their total supply. It says here under development, every holder of the BUX tokens receive dividends from the profit of Buytex Exchange, and consequently the holder is interested in its development. As the profit of exchange increases, the price of BUX goes up. Generous tokens, bonuses for the recommendation of BUX and Buytex, and much, much more. They did put up a roadmap here so you can track the progress of what they're doing right now. I'm not going to go through this information. This pretty much is talking about why they chose to do the Buytex network opportunity that we have here today versus an ICO. It says the unique multi-level partnership program is used for the promotion of Buytex and BUX token. The method is much more efficient than a bounty or ICO programs. Buytex network projects gives everyone the opportunity to earn money. Now this platform has 6 different types of income. Okay, so the marketing is not mandatory. Okay guys, you don't have to share your link or anything. This is a passive platform you can earn from, and this is where the token bonuses come from. Also, you get a direct bonus here in terms of you referring to somebody else. They give you a direct bonus. They also have a binary compensation plan here, a matching bonus, and of course the leadership and quick start bonus for the people that are getting in and taking advantage and really blowing this thing up. Now here are their investment plans here. They have 5 different packages from silver all the way up to VIP. Personally, I chose to do the diamond over here, but it says here for the silver, it's 500 to 1999 bucks. And all you guys got to do to look at this, I know this is not in USD, so to understand it, it's just take off the number at the end, and that's the dollar amount. So 50 bucks to $199. Okay, so 50 bucks is the minimum to get the first package, which is silver. And it's going to run for 52 weeks. Okay, and this here says unfreezing. We'll talk about that in a second. It says here you get a binary bonus of 10% and a direct bonus of 10% as well. There is no matching bonus for the silver package. Now the gold package is $200 up to $799, and this one here says the duration is for 52 weeks as well, and you also get a matching bonus, a 20% matching bonus on the people that you bring in terms of what they're earning on the binary. So I think that's pretty good. So the same works for all these other plans here, and the top plan here is 10,000, looks like, to 50,000 over here. As far as the VIP, I chose this one, which is 2,500 to 10,000, or 9,999. Okay guys, so this is the one that I choose here in terms of the investment plans, but we'll log into the back office and I'll give you guys a better explanation on how things work, how to register, how to buy the tokens, and all that good stuff. So let's suppose how much you can earn here. So we're just going to take a look at this real quick. Now the estimated cost at the time of purchase, $1 equals 20 cents. Now it says here the cost of the plan is 50,000 bucks multiplied by 0.2 equals 10,000. The anticipated cost by the end of the plan is $1 equal $1, assuming that the price of the BUX token is going to go up in value. It says the cost of the BUX will be 130 times $1 is 130,000. So it says here your net income for the year would be 120,000, which is 1,200%. Now they give some examples over here, guys, and these are just examples. So you know the price could be lower or it could be higher in terms of the earnings, depending on the appreciation of the coin or the volatility of it, or whatever the case may be. They also give you a direct bonus here. So it says each time you invite new partner to your team, you will receive a direct bonus, either 10% or 12%, depending on your plan. In this example, your profit will be 3,600 bucks, 12% from the sum of the plan that was just bought by your personally invited partner. So the VIP, I do believe, and the diamond, they do give you 12% direct bonus when you invite somebody into the platform. We all know how binaries work. You need one person on your left, one person on your right, and you do need to personally invite somebody on your left, on your right, and your right if you guys want to be qualified to earn from the binary. So if you're getting a lot of spillover on one of your legs, you still would have to personally invite somebody on that side, and then also invite somebody on your other side that you're building to be binary qualified. Now with the VIP plan bonus is 13% of the binary. And it says here you earn 13% of the binary. In the right team, there will be 5,000 bucks left. As soon as the volume increases in a right team, you will get the binary bonus again. So it flushes every time they pay you out for the binary. For example, you get paid on your weaker leg. So over here, you get paid out on the 10,000 bucks over here. And then of course, after they pay out, this will go to 0 and this will go to 5,000, since 5,000 will be left off of the 10,000. Now they also have a matching bonus over here. As far as the matching bonuses, the silver doesn't get any matching bonuses if you choose the silver plan here. The gold gives you a matching bonus on line 1. Platinum gives you a matching bonus on line 1 and 2. Diamond on line 1, 2, and 3. And VIP gives you a matching bonus on line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as you guys can see here. It says the 5th level of matching will be open after reaching the leadership rank director. Here's an example of the matching bonus over here. It says matching bonus is the bonus from the team income of the binary of your team. The example shows that your personally invited partner received 3,000 bucks in the binary bonus. Accordingly, you get 20% from his bonus, which is 600 bucks. So not only do you get paid from the binary, you also get paid off of the matching bonuses of what your downline is making. So if I invited somebody and they're earning, let's just say, for example, 3,000 bucks in the binary for the day, then I'm going to get 600 bucks of that, including whatever I'm earning on the binary. So I think that that's pretty damn good. Now the quick start bonus is a special quick start bonus for the most active partners. It says complete the manager qualification in the first 30 days after purchase of the plan. You'll get a prize, okay? And it's a BUX coin. Now this little coin here can have anything from 100 bucks to 1,000 bucks, who knows, in it. But you actually get this, and you probably click on it or something like that, and it'll have a present inside. That's what it says here. So that's something, another incentive for people who want to share this thing. Alright, so it says proceeds for binary and matching will happen every Monday. It says here that it's going to be an instant withdrawal, and I will be testing this out because I do have a little bit of bucks in the back office that I'm going to try to yank out, and we're going to see if it hits my wallet instant like they say. I like to test these things and make sure that they're working like they say that they are. So now here I am in the back office of Buytex Network. You guys can see what my plan I have here. I have the diamond plan, and in order to make a deposit, you need to come over here where it says finance. Okay, and you can select whether you want to deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Okay, guys. So I chose Bitcoin over here. If you want to do ETH, you just select ETH, and then you just copy the address here and send it over. And it did take about 60 minutes before this showed up in the back office, and you have the funds available here. And then after that point, after it shows up here, you just simply come down here to where it says buy BUX over here, and you just type in the amount of BTC that you guys have in there. And then after you do that, you should have a balance of BUX, and then you'll just come down here to where it says plans. So you can see that I have a balance of 120 bucks over here, so I don't have enough to get a plan here. But after you do have your BUX and your balance, all you do is just come down here. It says open a plan. If you type in the amount that you have in terms of BUX, it'll automatically calculate what plan you guys will have. Like this one here is a silver plan here, and it goes through these amounts here. So anything from 500 to 1,999 bucks, you guys will have the silver package. Okay, guys, I put in 2,500 bucks, so I had about 65,000 bucks, and it automatically calculated the diamond plan, and it'll tell you per week what is going to be unfrozen. Okay, guys, so how this works is it says here for the diamond package, the unfreezing is 5% per week. So it's going to be 5% of the amount of bucks that I've actually had that's going to be released every single week, and I can exchange these things for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. As you guys can see here, I have 120 bucks, and I'm going to do a test exchange over here. So it's telling me that's going to give me 0.0012 Bitcoin, and there is a 3% fee when you exchange this. So let's just go ahead and change. Well, let me put in all of it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then I'm going to click on change. Okay, confirm. All right, change successful. Come back to finance and click on Bitcoin, and there's the balance there. So I'm going to be doing a test withdrawal right now for you folks, because it said withdrawals were instant, so I want to make sure that they come through. So the minimum to withdraw is $5. We're going to do this test withdrawal, and we're going to see if this comes through. So let me get my wallet address, copy. Okay, I'm going to paste it and then withdraw. I got to put in my security code. 1 second, guys. Okay, so the security code is in, and it says commission is 1%, so they take 1% from that. Confirm. Okay, operation successful. Now we're going to wait and see how long it takes for this to come through. Okay, so I made that withdrawal. You guys can see your transaction history down here. Just click on whatever coin that you're withdrawing, and it says here show info, and it's giving me a transaction ID, so I'm going to click on that. We're going to come over here and see what's up. Okay, so it says the status is unconfirmed here, so once it's get a confirmation, I assume that the withdrawal will come through. But we're going to go back to the main website here in the back office. But like I said before, guys, you know, I like to try to get in things when I see them. All right, and this does look like it could have some legs on it. Now, as far as who's behind this thing, I've did some due diligence, right? And I did see that this guy, who claims to be the CEO. Name is Andreas Berg, okay? And this is the dude here. Now this guy down here, his name is Anshel Gear or whatnot. He's the CMO, the marketing dude, the guy that's putting out videos and pretty much the face behind Buytex Network. I was able to find a video that was released on July the 24th, which was a video message by the CEO Andreas Berg here on June the 22nd, with him talking or having a little message for people or whatever the case may be. So this guy's supposed to be an experienced trader, etc., in terms of that, for all you folks out there that like faces. Okay, now this guy does not speak in English, so this video was translated somewhat, but he was talking and whatever the case may be. And then I also found another video with the CMO, the Anshel Gear guy here, which he does speak English, and he was talking about some things with Buytex in this video. So it does look like they have some faces here with this thing. For all you folks out there that like this type of transparency, I know that a lot of times with these platforms, it doesn't really matter about the face, man. I mean, it's good to give you a peace of mind, but it doesn't mean just because they have a face that the platform is going to be successful, okay? But other than that, let me come back over here to my wallet to check, and it does look like the withdrawal came through. Just click on that. So here's the withdrawal that I made from Buytex Network. So withdrawals are pretty much within 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, give or take a few, but it's good to know that the withdrawals are automatic. So Buytex Network, I'm going to give it a shot, see what happens with it, man. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram or Facebook or whatever the case may be. The links are down in the description to get a hold of me if you got any questions. I just found out about this thing or really took a look at it not too terribly long ago, man. So I'm still going to be giving you guys an update on the progress with this thing, but it does look like it could be a long-term platform. So we shall see. Make sure that you guys do your own due diligence, your own research, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. This is the Crypto Don, and I'm out. Peace.